How to select similar layers? In Figma, we can quickly select all similar objects using a quick selection feature. This includes objects with same fill color, properties, stroke color, etc. Here I have squares and circles with different color. Let's see how selecting similar layer works in Figma. I'm selecting select yellow rectangle and press command slash. Here you can search for menus, commands, or plugins. If you press again command slash, it will hide, and press command slash to open quick search option. Here I'm typing select. So once you type select, you can see the different options like select all with same properties, select all with the same fill, select all, select with the same stroke, select all text layers, select inverse, select all with the same effect, different kind of things. Select yellow shape and press command hash. This will open a quick search and type select. So in select, I am selecting select with same fill. So if you see all layers filled with yellow selected like this squares and circles. I'm selecting blue square, command slash, type select with the same fill. So now you can see all blue layers selected. Here I have filled buttons and stroke buttons. So you'll see how we can select different buttons using a quick search function. Select yellow button and this time select all with same fill. So now if you see two buttons selected and two button label selected because this is with the same fill color, right? Select stroke button and command slash, type select. This time we'll select with same text properties, select with same stroke. Let's select all with same stroke. So if you see now, it is two buttons selected with the same stroke. It's again select yellow button, command slash and select. This time we use select all with the same font. So if you see here, all buttons selected because these all buttons share same font. What is the use of quick search? Let's say if you change font for every button, right? Now it is showing a Poppins font. Let's select this button and command slash select all with same font. So now 6 buttons selected fonts inside. So here I can change going to pop comic zone. So now you can see 6 buttons changing, at a time. At the same time, you can change the font weight or font size or even font color. So like that, we can use quick search and some quick actions we do day by day. Did you know that in Figma, you can easily rename multiple layers at once? Let's take a look how to do renaming in Figma. Here I have some layers with different colors, yellow, blue, and dark. So if you see in the layers panel, this all layers name as a default, like 1, 4, like rectangle 2, like that. So now what we do bulk renaming for these layers. For that I'm going to select these 3 yellow layers. Click anywhere and drag on the 3 layers. So now 3 layers selected. Press command R. This will open bulk renaming pop-up. So here you can see that rename 3 layers. It means that you have selected 3 layers. This is a preview. Rectangle 7, rectangle 4, rectangle 1. Based on your changing, this will update. I'm going to rename this as a yellow. Once you click on rename, this all layers will, we can add numbers also like yellow 1, yellow 2, yellow 3. So that same thing, select 3 layers and press command R. So here we have already name as yellow. Here we have option current name, number, sending and descending, right? Just click on current name and number. So now if you see the preview, L01, L02, L03, if we need, we can add some underscore or hyphen or anything. The good thing here is you can see the preview right away so that you can make any changes if needed. Same thing if you click on number ascending, it will take to when you can remove this. And if you see that number 321, and if you click on number ascending, descending, you can change based on your need. So once you click on rename, so it will make L01, L02, L03. Like that, we can do that same for blue ones. Select all blue, Command R, blue. So here itself, we can do that number. So here I'm adding number also. You can see that blue 1, blue 1, blue 1, blue 2, blue 3, and rename. And the same thing, select red, rectangles, and press Command R, rename to red, number ascending. So here you can see the preview, red 1, red 2, red 3, and rename. Like this, we can do bulk renaming in Figma to save a lot of time. When you have multiple objects on your frame that are not evenly spaced, you can use the TDM option. There are three types: horizontal, vertical, and grid. Let's take a look at some of examples to understand more about this. Horizontal, TD up. Here I have 3 squares. Horizontal space is not even between these 3 layers. We can use horizontal TD up to make a space equal between these squares. For that, select all 3 squares. And when you hover over, you can see the small icon here. Once you click on the icon, the horizontal space will going to equal for between these 3 squares. Next, vertical TD up. Here I have 3 layers. Vertical gap is not same for all these 3 layers. So select all 3 layers. When you hover over, you will see that TD up icon. Once you click on TD up icon, the gap between the layers is going to be equal. Next, grid TD up. When you have multiple layers with not equal horizontal space and verticals, we can use grid TD up option. For that, we need to select all layer, and once you hover over the selection, you can see the grid icon. Once you click on the grid icon, horizontal space and vertical space is going to be equal for all layers. Bulk color changing. Whenever we want to change colors for different elements, we need to select manually each object and change the color in color picker. But in Figma, we can change color for more than one element using the bulk color changing. Here I have yellow squares, blue squares, and red squares, and also we have different style of buttons. If I want to change yellow color, I need to select each item and go to color picker and change. So this way, it will take a lot of time to change colors for all elements. Now I will show you by color changing. For that, we need to select frame. In right panel, you can see that selection colors. So we have see all 5 colors, click on that. And here, all 5 colors, these are the colors from the frame. Now if I want to change yellow color from entire, if I want to change yellow color to green color for all layers. So in selection color, you can see the yellow color. Click on yellow color. Here, this will open color picker. Now I need to select green color. Now you can see all yellow color layers change to green color. Squares and button background and button border also. Like this, we can change other colors also. Let's say I'm going to select blue color, and the blue color is going to be, I can change something to orange, like that. Red, and this one is going to be yellow this time. Like this, we can use selection colors and change colors in a bulk. Now we will see how this works in real UI design. Let's say here I have a mobile UI, and here we have several colors used. So now using selection colors, how we can change colors. So blue here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 places we have used, and this light gray is couple of areas. And let's see how we can change these colors at a time. Select frame, and on right panel you can see the selection colors. So here we have blue color. Click on blue color and change this blue color to silver. Now you can see the color updated in for all elements, text, backgrounds, and this text. Now we can change this light color. Select frame. Here we have F2, F2, F2. Open that color. And now if you change the color, you can see all elements changing color at a time. Now I'm a little bit of gray color. I'm going to add gray color here and close. So now button anyway we have only one place, but still we can change the button here. So like this we can use selection colors to changing the colors in bulk.